I have a Kohler RES20 generator that is showing a locked rotor error message. Any suggestion or most likely cause?
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Kohler generator? How old is it?
Just out of warranty, serviced 2 or 3 months ago. Excersises weekly.
How long has this been going on with your Kohler generator? What have you tried so far?
Just started. Lost power and gen will not start. I try to start manually, get a brief clicking sound and then the fault message. The generator portion does rotate manually.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Battery is good.
Hello, my name is. I would like to assist you with this. I'm sorry that no one has responded to you yet. I'm not sure what is going on. I work 2-day jobs and help on JustAnswer in the evenings. When I got home and got logged on, the question list was extremely long. I have been busting my backside trying to catch up. I'm very sorry you are having problems with your genset. Let's see what we can do to resolve it. The locked rotor error comes up when the controller does not sense the engine and generator are turning. If the engine is not cranking, it definitely isn't turning. The brief clicking sound is most often caused by a weak or bad battery. That is where you need to start, have the battery tested.
Thanks, Hank. Your answer is correct, but about 15 hours late. I appreciate your effort. I was able to resolve the issue on my own.
Okay. But like I said, I work 2-day jobs and help on JustAnswer in the evenings. I got to your question as soon as I saw it. I'm glad you got it worked out.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.